Very smooth. Yeah.
Happy, Sid?
Yeah, very happy.
Kick it in the gut, Sydney.
Doing like a classic. Well done, Stevie boy.
No worries, mate. Runs and it seems quite happy. So, and Sid's happy because he's having it back today.
It's started snowing too.
Aye, we've had a bit of snow, so yeah, just at the right time. Well, it's all cleared now. I was expecting there to be more up this way, but anyway, she is finished. It is now just a test drive. And then that is it, the end of an era.
Till the next one.
Yeah, until the next one.
Lovely.
Sid's got his car back.
Happy, Sid?
Yeah, very happy.
like a new car, man.
I would drive it, but my insurance doesn't cover me, so I'm not taking a chance. So Sid can have the honours. Yeah, sounds alright anyway.
Beautiful, beautiful. Sweet job done. Right guys, thumbs up. Driving smooth. We do have a red light, but it's a sensor on the bonnet catch.
Yeah, common fault they are. Just put a split pin in it.
Job done.
Yeah. So obviously we didn't lose any gearbox oil then. End of an era. Sydney's car is finished. Drives beautifully, no knocks, no rattles, all light doesn't come on, which is a pleasure. Doesn't seem to be leaking at the moment. Fingers crossed it stays that way. So yeah, thanks for tagging along on this. It's yeah, been a pleasure to have you along, and yeah, I'll read all the comments and that. So right, so what we got next? Well, I'll spin you around, we'll have a look. This little gem here is a TDV8 2007, and the exhaust manifold is blowing on it, so this is going to have the body off. So I don't know, do you want to see another body come off? I think you know how it's done by now, but yeah, I will film this one as well when I do this. I'm not sure when I'm going to do it yet, but when I start it, there will be a video up on this one, fixing the exhaust leak. It's had an engine rebuild, not by me, and whoever done it buggered up the exhaust manifold somehow or other, used an old gasket, didn't tighten it or whatever, I don't know until we get in there, but didn't come back to fix the problem. So Muggins ear's got to do it. So that's the next project anyway. So when I'm starting it, I don't know when that's going to be, but you'll be the first to know. Right, all the best, and I'll see you next time.